Good day, sir, ma'am. I'm Cherilyn Dueñas Masigan from Malintalos, Baños, Laguna, Philippines. I am married and high school graduate. I have 3 sons and 1 daughter, ages 16, 14, 10, and 9 years old. My height is 154 centimeter and my weight is 65 kilogram. I am a high school graduate. I've been working to Hong Kong for 5 years with 2 employers. In my first employer, there are four members of the family. And my job duties are taking care of a newborn baby, sending and picking up the kid, cooking, ironing and washing the clothes, and also play with them. Before my kids are sleeping, I sing a song like Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa, eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. In my second employer, there are 3 members of the family. My duties are taking care of newborn baby, ironing, cooking, washing clothes, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for my kids for their education. Sir, ma'am, please do hire me as your domestic helper, and I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I am a hardworking person, honest and trustworthy. I promise to finish my 2 years of contract and as long as you need all my full-hearted services. Thank you, ma'am, sir, and I hope we see you soon in Hong Kong.